Alright, welcome back. We're starting. I hurt my fucking arm trying to get one of the bolts off. We're draining the transmission right now. She's pissing. She definitely probably needs a change.
Don't you guys have a pile that you dump your fluids in?
We dump the fluids in the
Just the burn pile?
burn pile, yeah.
I don't know what transition fluid's supposed to smell like, but I feel like it's not that.
Fucking Subaru's oils are at.
So I couldn't get this off the starter, and I don't know how to do that.
Where's yours in your car?
So I don't know if this thing comes off or how it's supposed to come on.
So here's where Zach's engine
So I just pulled the starter out, and we're just gonna leave it like that. Pull the charge pipe off, and keep moving.
I really love Gatorade. He's like, you know what I love more too? And she goes, no.
Come on. Oh yeah, this thing just had a head gasket rotating, and that's the only thing that was wrong with it. The pistons on it look expertisely.
What, the Volvo?
No, the fucking lawnmower engine that had been running for probably more than like
Our lives?
the same mileage as a car for 25 years. The inside of this thing looks fucking amazing for fucking 25 years of use.
That's true. There's a monkey.
Dude, what about a Honda Ruckus?
How about a Honda Grom?
Or a paracocker. The Groms are fun, but they're too new. I want something.
They're good. Whoa!
Have you replaced the clutch yet?
Well, that's what we're doing. We're gonna pull it apart and his clutch plate's gonna be gone.
It's so bad.
Cause I really, you know,
White Claw
what is
Wednesday.
your master cylinder here?
White Claw Wednesday. White Claw Wednesday.
White Claw Surge, the white girl's way to get drunk as shit. 8% alcohol, and it tastes horrible.
I think that's it. Oh, you haven't even
I
opened
haven't
it.
even opened it yet.
Hasn't
I'm just
cracked
holding
it.
it for the clout.
Yeah, no, I'm only drinking this because I really want to drive my car, but
I was doing
that thing. But
I was doing a little bit of carpentry, but like the program got shut down, which sucks because so many things by Tina is being shut. What?
Charge pipe.
Landon,
What?
can you help me yank this shit?
Yank it?
Yeah. I'll charge you there.
Oh,
that's not plugged in, Nathan?
Oh,
No, I got it.
You also should
okay. Let me feed it this way too.
a shop outside of in the morning. I'm telling you, I did it for 6 months and it was terrible. I
Weird.
drove out to Chase's house because I
It was like,
most normally Edmonds, Jordan's.
All right.
keep it back. I didn't like it back.
We got charge pipe out. Looking good.
It's still fucking
All right, we're back. So, starter's out. Couldn't figure out how to get this thing off. I don't get it. this 13 mil bolt I took off. That is the positive of the starter. I don't know how to get the solenoid power off, but that's whatever because it can just sit here. I found that some bolts are metric and some bolts are not. Why? Why is this a 5/8 fucking bolt and all the other ones are 10 mils? Or fucking T30s or some bullshit. Dude, now that I've got a light down here, you guys can come with. Here. Yeah, that works, I think. God. Alright. That's off. Two issues. One, that axle heat shield that I pulled out of my car looks completely different from the one he pulled out of his identical car. But two, the LSD, maybe this, I need to look into that. Maybe this car doesn't have an LSD. It's raining. It's a pretty sound. Need more power. Alright, so we are starting to pull the axles off the axle cups. Woo! Let's see if this is right. Okay, so, update. I don't think we have the right, fucking sockets, so we might need to go on a run. Nice. Hold on. Quick pause. made the contraption. This should get us. We had to go get some triple square bolts from the store, but we are ready to continue. M10. Uh-oh. Did I kill it? I killed this flashlight. And I have to use this one now. Holy fucking goodness. Jesus Christ. Come on. I think I'm gonna go give this light to my dad to charge and change the music. So that one's mad stripped. So we're gonna try and go up a size. I don't know how that's gonna work. Well, I got 2 stripped bolts. Not sure what to do. I'm gonna go ask Landon. So what we're gonna try and do is hammer it in. If we can get this, if we can get, ow, the socket. This isn't ideal by any means, but you know. Okay, it's kind of seated. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Alright, alright. No. Yes! I didn't like that. It started, I don't know if you guys can see, but it started spinning freely. I think I'm gonna have to get 2 new bolts when I put these back in. This will get it out. Are you ready? Woo! Big ass bullshit. Woo! We got them out. I need to buy 2 more though. Okay. All right. Trash can, just throw trash in it.
Huh?
Any trash can, you can just throw trash in it. is a bell housing bolt. Methinks. Alright, that one's done. Alright. So we are basically done. We've got I've got to pull. Let's see if I can show you. Trying to get that middle bolt out. And in order to do that, I gotta lock this up because it spins. I gotta get 2 bolts on, like here and here, I think. And then I gotta put something in between it to keep it from spinning while I get that bolt. That works. This bolt really doesn't want to fucking come out. Transmission fluid. Lovely. Alright. We are ready to drop the transmission. Nice. The only thing that's still attached to our transmission right now is my brake line. Oh. And that's only attached because otherwise it starts leaking. And tuck these out of the way. That's starter stuff. It can be tucked out of the way. Pull that off. Pull the brake line off. Bell housing bolts and the transmission's ready to drop. That's where we end for now.